Shelby Street location. This step didn't used to be this bad. Now it's even worse. Are they trying to get us hurt here? Is that supposed to resemble a ramp? I don't know what the hell that's supposed to. How are we supposed to get a two-wheel cart over that? It was better off just being that one step. This is what it used to look like. I threw those over there. It's still stupid, but it's better than what that was. Alright, they're not trying to make it easy to get in here today. I had to move those bricks so I can get a step in, and we're going to snag that corner every time, every box. We got construction materials on the way there. It's not very wide coming through there, and having to pull that and back it up to get it up over the steps here. And then that, I don't like that shelf where they put it. That's going to be a gouge. Alright, so I rolled the cart out of the way over there just to make a little bit more room for pulling up the